Chair Alarm Tutorial by Heather, Brooke, and Tiffany.
Okay, so to set up your chair alarm, you need your chair alarm, the connection that goes from the alarm to the wall. You'll need the power cord and a Posey pad. These are located in the supply closet when you walk in, just above the bedpans, and these three items should be in the top of your nurse server. Ta-da! That's it. When you set up your chair alarm, you'll have this little rubber thing in the package. You want to put it directly on the chair so it makes it non-slip. And then you put your pad right on top and your cord will plug in momentarily. Put your sheets, and then you can put your pads and then your patient.
Woohoo!
So whenever you plug the alarm in, there are three things to plug in. First is your power cord, then your connection to the call bell, and it plugs in right here underneath the call bell. And lastly, this looks like a telephone cord. You plug it in here where it says sensor. Now that your chair alarm is set up, you need to test it. So you start by making sure everything's plugged in, and you go to the on position, which is on the back. And turn it on. You'll see that you have some different modes flashing, and we'll talk about that. So you're gonna have your patient sit down, and you hear a beep. That means your alarm is set. While your patient is sitting and the chair alarm is activated, you can change some of the modes here. You can make changes to the volume, to low, medium, or high. You can record your own message. Please don't get up. Please don't get up. You can change through different tones. That's the default, the one we all know and love. And now you can change the mode. To change the mode, use this button, and I'll show you on the front here, the light's changing. And this is so that you can have it here, play recording and the tone. You can play just the tone, that's the default setting. And because you're plugged in, it'll also go to the call bell. So if my patient gets up without me, we can pause it here and have them sit down. Make sure to unpause to know that it's ready and it's working. You also have a sensor right here. It's a little switch that can go up and down. So, sorry. You can set the sensitivity. So if you have a patient that it's okay for them to adjust a little bit in their seat, you can move it to a little bit more of a delay. So that is how you set up your chair alarm for your patient. And if your patient gets up without you, please don't get up. Please don't get up. And your call bell goes off. Thanks.